Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Bread maker. Fresh, homemade bread in 3 easy steps. Just add your ingredients to the bread maker, select the cycle, and press start. Versatile with 12 cycles, make delicious, mouth-watering loaves of bread or prepare dough for pizza and dinner rolls. Cycles include basic, French, gluten-free, whole grain, 1.5 pounds, express, 2.0 pounds, express, sweet dough, roast nuts, jam and bake. Customize bread your way. With the Hamilton Beach bread machine, you can choose to make either 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pounds loaves and select from 3 crust settings for light, medium, or dark crust. Beeps when it's time for addins. Before the second kneading cycle, the bread machine beeps to let you know it's time to add fruit, nuts, seeds, or other add-ins to the dough. Electric pressure cooker. 7in, 1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Versatile inner cooking pot. We use food-grade stainless steel, a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking and perfect for sautéing. Discover amazing recipes. Includes the free Instant Brands Connect app, where you can find new recipes to create quick favorites and prepare delicious meals, available for iOS and Android. Roti maker. Cast iron tortilla maker. Our cast iron press is seasoned with non-GMO, kosher-certified flaxseed oil and made without PTFE, PFAS, or other forever chemicals. It has a smaller footprint than traditional wood or steel presses for easier storage. Durable manual tortilla maker. Our professional tortilla press was designed with the user in mind. It features a reinforced design with engineered flat plates that prevent pinching and an ergonomic handle for better resistance. Special care. This Pataconera features natural materials without synthetic coatings or paints. Our cookware requires special care and should never be air-dried or put in a dishwasher. Follow the included instructions for proper care and to avoid rust. Spiralizer vegetable slicer. Safer slicer. Safety mandolin slicer for any cook. Sharp hidden blade slicing is fast, uniform, and easy to set up and clean up, and does not need to glove up or change the blade to use it. This is definitely an upgrade replacement you're cooking daily. Upgrade large capacity. Once for all's JS03 vegetable slicer larger feeding port container chopper more food at once. Offers 4 mode choices: julienne, matchstick, slicing, and dicing at once, no need to change the blade. Adjustable thickness 0.1 to 8 mm, great for quickly slicing potatoes, carrots, cucumbers. High quality. The food mandolin is made of 420 stainless steel blades, safe and healthy. Vegetable slicer is a good idea for the festival of wedding or home gift. Assure, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Once for all, we provide 24 months of warranty for each vegetable slicer. Waffle maker. Unique vertical design, engineered to heat evenly and give you consistent results. 5 shade settings. From soft and fluffy to deliciously crispy, get exactly the texture you want. 1-inch Belgian waffles. Roomy, non-stick interior makes for thick, fluffy waffles. Exclusive specialty setting. Allows for high-sugar batters like brownie and cake mix. Precision pour cup. Included cup makes it easy to measure and pour batter. Audible visual alerts. The waffle maker will beep when your waffle is done, no guesswork required. What's included? 1000-watt waffle maker, precision pour cup, chef-curated recipe guide. Paper plates. New look, same great paper plate. Dixie Ultra Disposable plates have a fresh, new design while keeping the same strong plate you love to handle your heaviest meals. Our strong and sturdy disposable plates are microwavable, cut-resistant, and feature a soak-proof shield. Plus, they're built with flex-proof technology for heavy-duty paper plates that are 3x stronger than the leading store brand 10-inch paper plate asterisk. Dixie Ultra paper plates are now backyard and commercially compostable. With sustainability and conservation in mind, our responsibly made products use virtually every part of the trees we process, and the trees used for Dixie products are replenished. This bulk paper plates pack includes 172 compostable paper plates 10-inch. Electric griddle. XL electric griddle. This hard-working extra-large griddle features a 1500-watt heating system, cool touch handles, a base with a built-in ledge with backstop for easy pancake flipping. The removable probe with easy-to-use dial allows for precise temperature control. Durable, efficient. The unique ceramic nonstick coating is 8 times more durable, cooks up to 30% faster than standard nonstick coatings. It's reinforced with titanium for outstanding strength, scratch resistance. Kitchen essentials. Bella offers a full range of high-quality products including air fryers, waffle irons, toasters, coffee makers, electric kettles, slow cookers, espresso machines, griddles, juicers. Mix it up. The kitchen should be fun. With Bella, it can be. We provide you with quick, convenient kitchen solutions to simplify your hectic life, including small kitchen appliances, cookware, housewares. Vertical lever. Iconic wine opener. A crowd favorite and bestseller, this rabbit corkscrew wine opener makes opening wine effortless. Easy to use corkscrew. The fastest and most efficient way to open a bottle of wine. By using 2 swift motions of the lever handle, the cork is easily removed. Perfect for sommeliers or entertaining guests at home. Built to last. Independently tested for 20,000 cork pulls to ensure quality and durability. The lever wine opener works on any type of cork. Time saver. Quickly and cleanly removes corks from any size wine bottle in seconds with a single pull, then it easily ejects the cork. Comfortable grip. This rabbit lever corkscrew is designed for ease and controlled leverage. Herb scissors. 2025 new high-quality herb cutting scissors with 5 stainless steel blades. The herb shear set contains a safety cover and a comb for cleaning. The 5-blade design increases your productivity by 4 times. The handle is made of PP plus TPR soft rubber, comfortable and non-slip. Can use dishwasher to clean, but hand wash is recommended. Comfortable soft grip TPR handle. Designed with a non-slip TPR handle to reduce hand fatigue and ensure a secure grip during extended use. Shop with confidence. 30-day money-back guarantee. Enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction with every purchase. Drip catcher tray mat. Flex biceps faster drying size. 14.25 into 5.35 into 0.60. 2.36 diameter single faucet hole. Unlike other products, we have increased the size, thickness, and weight of our products. The latest 5 degrees slope design allows for faster and smoother water discharge and faster drying. This means no puddles to clean up, no water spots by the faucet. Give your kitchen sink an effort-saving upgrade. Flex Biceps upgrade version. While other kitchen faucet sink splash guards are made from hard-to-clean fabric that takes a lot of time to dry, our silicone faucet water catcher for sink is made from 100% silicone, soft and reliable, reusable and durable, won't scratch your utensils, totally safe to use. Our silicone water catchers will catch the water and the water will drain to your sink, so don't worry about the wet fabric mat or wash the mat and dry it.